Good afternoon, profitable traders. Welcome to the New York market color session. My name is Cynthia, and this is pretty much just going to be a recap of what we had during the New York market color session. London, I beg your pardon. So, starting off with AUD USD. The weekly time frame, as seen right here, most recent price action tends to be bullish, right? I'm seeing that we're on track. We're just going to see this level. Shoulder at 0.61918, sweeps the downside break to the upside. Once price returns into this left shoulder right here, I want to buy AUD USD. In the weekly time frame, you're seeing that price is also bullish. The 4-hour time frame also is showing some strength in AUD USD. So all we'll be looking out for is entries. And this is where we were speculating that price was going to trade into 0.67559, right? We're actually looking at this price point, and price is yet to get to that level before we keep riding the buy to the upside. So we're still looking at this into tomorrow and even next week. We should see price trading all the way to that level. NZD USD, the weekly time frame as seen right here, price has taken out the high at 0.58260. Coming down to the daily time frame, we're seeing that the most recent price action is bullish. And the 4-hour time frame also, we've seen even more bullishness. Coming down to the 15 minutes time frame, what we're looking out for is entries. Price is yet to fulfill that which we are looking at, right? We just want to see price retrace right into 0.58421. And once that happens, I want to buy NZD USD. And last on my list being USD CAD. The weekly time frame seems bearish. Coming down to the daily time frame, we're even seeing some bearishness, right? And on the 4-hour time frame, as seen right here, most recent price action seems to be bearish. So we want to look out for entries on the much lower time frames. Coming down to the 5 minutes time frame, this is what I was looking at earlier today for price to trade into this level. Once for 38272. And yes, I'm still looking at this level for price to trade into. And then I want to sell. So pretty much I'm done with the recap. If you have questions or a different bias, please do well to type in the chat box, and I'll be looking at what you're seeing together. While you're doing that, I'd like to announce that registration for the FX Bootcamp training and the ATM cash flow training is currently ongoing. Send us a message on 081-6099-5030 or visit the website academy.valueflowtrading.com to sign up. And also the Falcon program is currently ongoing. Visit the website valueflowtrading.com/Falcon to get started. With that being said, we'll be going on a brief break and we will be having the second phase of today's session.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the second part of the market color this afternoon. Hope we're good. Hope we're fine. How are we doing? All right, very quickly, we'll be looking at the market, the US market. We'll be seeing how the market is giving, opportunities available for us to take in this market, and also other, things available for us to check. Right, we mentioned earlier this morning that the market is beginning to stabilize, meaning most of the drama that happened earlier this week is beginning to die down. It's been some form of compromise happening already in the market, right? Let me change this to 1 hour time frame. Okay, all right. We are beginning to see more people, President Trump responding to, the other side, the other party, regarding Greenland, and then there's also, the United States coming to a compromise, like I've mentioned. All right, so that's basically what's happening. We mentioned earlier this morning that at least we want to see like a 50% retracement into the zone for us to buy and continue this push we are having. This one here, all right, this one, let me exactly. Okay, this push 50% from this zone and then continues to take out this overall yeah. All right, right. So this happening will give us that push, a very good buy to continue this market. So that's what we have on US 30. On US 100, nothing really much. On US 100, S&P 500, also nothing really much. And price already tested the breaker block, used it as the foil to continue this push. So can we see another tank to the downside for it to continue up? Yes, we can, but from what we have going on already, it's unlikely for that to happen. All right, so that's pretty much what we have going on today in the market, except if you have any other question, you can ask your question. In the absence of no question, we'll see tomorrow. Ensure you join tomorrow. Is for DXY, for gold, for yen basket, so things related to GBP USD, GBP JPY, Euro USD, Euro JPY, and then gold, silver, and the rest will be discussed in tomorrow's market column. And also, just to bring like an insight, there'll be a restructuring going around with our market column, so be prepared for this. You're going to see the announcement very soon. Ensure you stay tuned. Ensure you pin our post for you to get the information. Thank you once again for joining. See you tomorrow by 8:30 in the morning and also 2 p.m. in the afternoon for the New York session. I wish you profitable trading. Cheers and God bless, guys.